Hello friends, welcome once again to our uh, this session of that C programming. And here actually I'm going to show you program without creating new project. So in previous video I created a new project and just I coded there. I showed you. Now same program we can also do there. File and new. If you click project, then actually it is for the complex development, or we can say that software. If you are going to make, then we use that, but if you are going to make simple file, then simply we can go to file, new, and empty file. Here from here you can go, or simply we can also go from here, empty file, and after that right here so after writing we have to save it, file, save as. I'm saving on desktop. While saving, you must have an extension .c. Otherwise, computer will not recognize. Code block, it will also not recognize. So type there hello pro.c. .c we must give here. That is an extension of C program. Save. So here we can see there. Now all the keywords they are being highlighted. And after that, build, compile current file. So we can see here 0 errors, 0 warnings, and after that build and run, or simply we can also press run. So here is the output. So it's very simple. Mostly actually we use this file and empty file if we are going to make a project, we're going to work on a project, and suppose that project is going to have many files, then we can use this new and project. We can go through this one. If not, there simply we are learning programs, then simply we can click file and new and empty file, or we can also apply a shortcut from here, new file, and so we can start programming. So it's a very simple way to learn programs. I think you understood my this program and this session of our C programming. If you have any question, you can put your question in comment box. I'll reply that. And just I'm thankful that you watch this video, you like it, you subscribe it, and just wait for next time, next video, and next time obviously we'll be meeting here with something new in C. Till then, goodbye, take care, stay blessed.